In today's guided notes, we are going to be looking at some important vocabulary related to factors and multiples. So a lot of students mix up these terms, so I wanted to give you a couple of visuals to help solidify that in your memory. Okay, so we can remember that there are few factors and many multiples of a number. All right, so what do I mean by that? So factors are the numbers that are multiplied together to find a product. So let's say I wanted to find the factors of 24. I want to think of factor pairs, and I'm going to put them together in like a rainbow, that when you multiply these numbers together, you get 24. So you're always going to start with the factors 1 and the number itself. So the factors of 24, I'm going to do 1 goes with 24. And then I'm going to think, okay, what comes next? What's another factor of 24? And I'm going to start on the small side. So I'm going to do 2, because I can see that 24 is an even number. So 2 times 12 is going to give me 24. And then I know 3 is also a factor, and that goes with 8. And then I also know that 4 is a factor of 24, and its factor pair goes with 6. So I can see that the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. All right, and then we have multiples. Now, multiples of the number are the product of the numbers and any whole number. So let's say I wanted to find the multiples of 9. I am always going to start with that number or itself. So I'm going to start with 9. And then I'm going to skip count by 9s, or I can think of it as 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45, and many, many more. And the visual I'd like you to remember for this one is think of it like a little bubble wand, and they're just growing bigger and bigger and bigger as you are floating away farther and farther away from the root there. So you can think of it also like skip counting, so 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and you can continue the pattern. So there are many multiples, an infinite number, in fact, of a number, and there are few factors, so just a limited set. So hopefully that'll help you remember that key vocabulary.